My name is Dr. Brian O'Connor, and I am a board-certified obstetrician, gynecologist, and addiction medicine physician. When you look at opiates, there's three words that you'll hear: opium, opiate, and opioid. Opium is the substance that comes out of a poppy plant. In opium, they contain certain natural compounds. The first is morphine, the second is codeine, and the third is thebaine. These substances that naturally occur in opium are called opiates, O-P-I-A-T-E. There's a whole other set of compounds called opioids, and opioids can either be semi-synthetic or completely synthetic. Now, the word opioid means opiate-like. So a semi-synthetic opioid will start with an opiate that you add a substance to in order to create a new compound. Heroin is an example of that. So you start with morphine, you add two compounds to morphine to create heroin. Other examples of semi-synthetic opioids include the prescription opioids that we hear about. Oxycodone, which is the active ingredient in Percocet, hydrocodone, which is the active ingredient in Vicodin. These are the prescription opioids. Now, they are semi-synthetic opioids. There's another group called completely synthetic opioids. In a completely synthetic opioid, you don't need any kind of an opiate to form that. You can just mix chemicals together in order to create a new compound. The most common fully synthetic opioid is fentanyl. Now, important things you need to know about all these different compounds is there's something called potency. And potency is how strong a compound is. Everything is measured off of morphine. So morphine has a score of 1. So something that's weaker than morphine, like codeine, may have a score of a half. Something that is more powerful than morphine will have a score that's higher. Heroin, for example, has a score of 4. So heroin is 4 times more potent than morphine. And fentanyl has a score of 100. So again, 100 times more potent than morphine. Visit middlesexrecovery.com for more information about services and treatment locations.